Hi, it's Lisa Schuman. Thanks for joining me for another Donor Day. So today I want to talk about love and fear. And what does that have to do with donor conception? Well, everything, because very often all people in the triad, the intended parents, the donor, and the children, have anxieties or fears. So some of those might be that the donor worries that the intended parents are going to try to find her or him. The intended parents might worry that the donor is going to play too much of a role in the child's life, and the child might worry that he or she is being disloyal by asking questions about the donor. There are many fears and worries, and those are just a few that people feel. But if you have any worries or anxieties about any of these things, and you start to replace that anxiety with love or gratitude or appreciation or caring or some warm feeling, you will feel those fears subside. You know, when donors meet intended parents, they're very often nervous and vice versa, but once they meet each other, they all relax and they all feel so much better. The same is true with children. When they connect with their donor, very often they're nervous, but once they've done it, they can relax, and often they feel more connected to their parents. So if we are able to replace our feelings of fear with feelings of love or gratitude or appreciation, we can feel those anxieties and that nervousness dissipate. So I hope that helps, and if you want more information, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm available to help you anytime.